of the training institutes of clinical psychology, they do conduct interview, most of them, after the entrance examination. So if you talk about interview, then generally an interview board is constituted, and there are experts in that board. So they test various aspects, like they test to what extent you know about, although you have given the entrance, but it does not mean that in interview they will not ask any question, theoretical question. They can ask any question. They can ask you any question from the theory part. Then they may see your aptitude. They may ask you certain questions, to what extent you are inclined to do this particular program. They may ask about your own experiences. They may ask questions like, why do you want to actually pursue this particular program? So there actually basically you need to give more academic and professional answers to all the
List of
questions.
college for RCA.
Uh,
लिए एक ना लिख
yes,
था
and the way you communicate, how you are communicating with the interview board also is very important.
RCA.
So basically, if you see as psychologists, there may be both open-ended and closed-ended questions. So for interview, basically what you can do is you can write down your interest areas in psychology. Basically, you can again go through the important theories, whatever you have learned, and then be open. Sometimes what happens, I have noticed that many good candidates, they get very anxious before the interview, because of they see the board members and now they have to directly answer the questions, so they're more anxious. And because of that anxiety, many times they are not able to explain the concepts well. So don't worry, it is normal to get anxious. In fact, minimum degree of stress is required to perform well. So a normal degree of stress is okay, but not too much. Or if you attribute a lot of value to it, that everything depends on this, then things become difficult. So my suggestion to all the aspirants is that you should be confident as far as possible, but not overconfident. If you don't know any concept, it's okay, because it is not necessary that every person knows everything. So you can just say no if you don't know the answer. But still there is a lot of scope to speak, because it's not only close-ended questions, but open-ended questions are also asked. So there you can share your own interest area. You can always share that you actually want to pursue this particular program because of these reasons, whatever reasons you have. So I would suggest that if you take a more proactive role in interview, that does not mean that you will disturb the entire process of interviewing, but just be proactive, just explain the things, whatever you know. If they ask you tell something about yourself, then try to give more academic and professional answers. So all these things are very helpful in getting good marks in interview. Be properly dressed, use technical words while answering the questions. So it should get reflected that you, when one is talking to a person who has done masters. So that kind of the orientation basically is always helpful in interviews.